this is Caleb on the keys, and today we'll be playing Beach Party. Page 38 and 39 in book 2B. This song I recommend for beginners, but they know enough to be able to play. It's not too difficult, not too hard. Remember to like and subscribe, and let's get into this song. So like I said in the intro, it's Beach Party. This song is actually fairly simple just because the goal wasn't to make this a complicated song. The goal was to work on pedal work so that's what we're going to focus on with your laser eyes. You have C, so in the left hand you go C, and these are all whole notes. And no, let me take them. They all are whole notes in your left hand. You just go C, A, or A, F, G, C, A, F, G, C, A, G, C. So that one, it changes up a little bit, and then it goes C, A, G, C. That's it. And then in the right hand, simple too. You'll just go C, E, G, and then you'll shift down to E, C, A. Shift down again, C, A, F. Shift up, G, B, D. And then you do an eighth note. So one and. Basically it just means fast, so you go C, A, C, E, F, A, C, C, G, B, D, D, C, E, G, G, C, E, G, E, G, A, C, E, C, E, C, E, G, D, F, A, E, G, B, F, A, C, and then the rest, you just keep going up. And then you go C, E, G. And at the same time, you'll go. Now the pedal work is basically you just press down on your tamper pedal. Unfortunately, I don't have any way of showing you the damper pedal, but it's basically the farthest pedal, if you have a pedal, to the right, or the farthest, you know how you get that stamp thing with the keyboard? That's what you put your foot on, and that's your damper pedal. And so you'll just put your foot on that, and then as you can see, it's just like a line, and you go. And then where that triangle meets, that's where you lift it, so you go. So, because on that A, it's a lift, and then you go back down. So go up, down, up, so you go. And wherever that triangle is, wherever that triangle is, and whatever note is over top of that triangle, you're gonna lift up on that note basically. So you're gonna go, and then where A, you see the triangle, lift up, go down. You see F, there's a triangle or pyramid or whatever, and then you lift up, G, so on and so forth. You get the gist. And you basically do that for wherever you see a triangle. So at the end it'll go. And I recommend you shift your hand over before you get to it, so it's easier. So how you're right here, you have to go down an octave, or basically another C down. So while it's going up, And the good thing about the damper pedal is it'll hold it for you. So you can like play like. And that's basically it for this song. Hope you guys like Beach Party. I would actually recommend this one for beginners. It's not that hard, just pedal work. I feel like that's what you mainly need to focus. Because it looks easy, but then you get into harder, more challenging stuff with pedal. It's like, this hurts. This hurts my brain. How can I do the pedal, lift it up, do the notes, do different kinds of notes at the same time while doing the same different notes at the same time on the treble clef and the bass clef? Just like, what? Which is why I recommend working on this song like a lot with the metronome, where it says moderately and then has the dotted, or not a dotted, it has a half note, or not a half note, it has a quarter note equals 88 and 100. Basically, that's just your metronome. You set it to either that or that. 100 is the highest, 80 is the lowest. Of course, you can go faster than that. But I recommend it even after you get it, because pedal work is key to a song. A song doesn't sound like it until you add the pedal, because it just really doesn't. It sounds weird. So pedal work is very important. Hope you guys enjoyed this song. As you know me, one time fast, one time slow. Thank you everybody for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed Beach Party. Hope you can play for your friends and just be like, woo woo. Sorry, that was a little much. But hope you guys have a nice day, and bye from Kill on the Key.